Alright guys, welcome back again to another exciting tutorial. Fashions here. So in this tutorial we will take a look at what are the things we're going to be needed for the purpose of this training. And without further ado, let's get started. I'm going to go to Google right now. Just like google.com, ensure that you have access to the internet. Alright, I'm going to connect right now to my internet. Okay, I'm connected. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to type WordPress.org. You see WordPress.org. So we have different type of WordPress. We have WordPress.com and we have WordPress.org. Don't go to WordPress.com, go to WordPress.org. So alright, so this is particular CMS that we're going to be making use of. So what is CMS? I don't want to tell you much of theoretical and explanation. I just want to dive into the practical aspect. So WordPress simply means it's a CMS, which stands for Content Management System. It has been in around for decades right now. We normally use it to create awesome website. At the end of this training, I will show you the standard website that this particular technology has powered. So you will know that this is here to stay. It's been a long time. It's been out there for a very long time, and it is not that normal WordPress that you'll be using to create blogs or probably download templates and work with. It is now more of what a technology that a lot of developers are using right now to create awesome website. Alright, the secret is that do you know that this particular website is being created with code like HTML, CSS, JavaScript. So we're going to see how we can use our own unique concepts to create this particular website without even writing a single code. Trust me, it's going to be very technical, but you can follow along with me. You're going to come out flying colors. Alright, so what I'm going to do is that I'm going to WordPress.org. What I'm going to do is that I'm going to click on Get WordPress. So when you click on Get WordPress, sorry, my internet is disengaging. Okay. Alright, so I think I will have to reload it back. You can see Get WordPress. When you scroll down, you can see your recommended host, set up with host providers. You can go for host right now. If you want to do that, we want to go to download. So you can see it's already downloaded. So right now they have successfully downloaded this particular application. So what we're going to do is that we're going to see what are the things that we need to do or install in order for us to be able to make use of WordPress as a CMS on our local computer. And that thing is pretty simple. It's called a server. That server name is called XAMPP. Alright, what we're going to do right now is that we're going to leverage the internet. Okay, so we're going to say google.com. We want a local server that we can put on our computer. What do I mean by local server? Local server is the one that can contain any website. So we don't have money right now to go online and start purchasing host and domain. We want to do what? We want to use a local server called XAMPP as a mimic that will help us to work or around WordPress on our system. Right, and it's very easy. You just click on what Apache download. When you click on download, you go to the version that you are using. If you're using Mac version is here. If you're using Linux is here. If you're using Windows is here. So what you're going to do is that you just scroll down A and download it. It's pretty easy. So I'm clicking on download. Depending on the version that you have on your computer, you're going to see it there. So I'm going to scroll down and say A. I have 64-bit on my laptop, and I'm going to click on download. So shall we? So I like to click on 7.4 because I think that is the most stable version. It's 8.0 and 8.1. It might still be what? Probably it might not. The version might not be stable right now. So right now, we're going to click on it and it's going to download for you. So let's scroll down. If it's not downloading, you have to wait for some time and be sure you read all the installation guide. Okay, I think we do that, and let's see. It's supposed to have started downloading right now. The download will start automatically. If it's not, click here. So if it's not downloading automatically, you have to hit on this and it's going to start downloading. Okay, so what else? What's going on? Okay. Alright, okay, it has been downloaded right now. So now the thing is this: you need a software called WinRAR. I will tell you the reason why you need WinRAR. So go to Google again. So that means you have downloaded two things. You have downloaded XAMPP, you have downloaded WordPress. Let's say google.com, and let's say google.com, and let's say XAMPP. And when we say XAMPP, and okay, sorry, we have to download WinRAR. Okay, we want to download WinRAR. So we have to download WinRAR. WinRAR is an extracting software. We normally use it to extract our applications. It's pretty easy. So let's say WinRAR, we use it to extract. Just download WinRAR. It's pretty easy. Go there and click on download WinRAR. Alright, so by the time you download WinRAR, it's going to download it for you. I'll show you why you need it and what exactly is being used for. So just hit on download. You can see I'm trying to navigate through all this thing so you understand how it works and where to download. We have successfully downloaded 3 pretty applications. We've downloaded WordPress, we've downloaded XAMPP, we've downloaded WinRAR. So these are the 3 applications that we're going to be needing. Okay, sorry if you don't have it yet. So what I'm going to do right now is that I'm going to figure out how I can upload this on let me say download. I'm going to see how I can actually I'm going to say I can actually copy this and put it inside the project, the class, so that you can easily have access to it if you cannot easily find your way to download it. So what I'm going to do is that here, now that you have WordPress, you can just copy it right now, okay? And you come to your desktop computer, just call it LP1, which is landing page 1. So when you do that, you paste it in there, and you right click and you extract. So if you have not actually downloaded WinRAR and install it, you will not be able to see this extract here. So installation is pretty easy if you want to install an application. So what you have to do is just to go straight down into where exactly this. Well, this thing might sound a little bit confusing. Let me just cut it. Let me cut all this download. I'm going to cut it right now. So when I cut it, what I'm going to do right now is that I'm going to say, hey Pretty, I want to do what I want to put all the content in, all the materials or needed software in what, in the folder, so that I will not be looking for it any longer. All right, good. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to say, okay, no, that one is in a separate folder, this one is LP. So this LP is going to be our project folder. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to extract here. All right, so it's extracting right now. So we right click and extract here. That's what I did. So it's extracted. So you can easily delete this, enter this particular software. You see a lot of codes in PHP. So there's one thing I really want to share with you right now. Do you know that this CMS called WordPress is built with a programming language called PHP? So it's more or less like a building your technology around PHP, which is the backend programming language. So don't worry, I don't want to dive into more of that right now. All right, so let's go back, and here you can easily say this particular WordPress, you can call it LP1. All right, so okay, let's right click on this. This is LP. Well, what I'm going to do is this. Let me just do it like this. Instead of naming this one LP1, let's just name it, rename, let's name it LP. So by the time you log into this folder, I have my reasons. Just follow along with me. So I'm going to right click and name this LP1, which is landing page 1. So basically what we're trying to do is this. This is going to be our project folder that contain all these code snippets. So it is this code snippet that we're going to take into the server, this entire folder. So like I said, if you take a look at this website, if you take a look at the mega pack, let's say for instance we want to be building these pages, websites one after the other. If this is number 1, this is number 2, this is number 3, so we can easily see how we can build a couple of websites together with this same code snippet. So all right, so this is going to be the most technical aspect of it. By the time you set up everything is going to be pretty awesome. So it is this folder that we're going to copy. So we're going to copy it and paste it inside the server. So before I move to the next tutorial, I want you to do me a favor. Go to the project folder. Where you download all your stores, where you have all your stores, like let me say where you have all your applications. So try as much as possible to install where you see application document, sorry, not this, what exactly is the name, WordPress need this. Oops, I can't even remember the name right now. All right, it's needed software. Okay, so I'm clicking on it. So take a look at, right click on this and install it, run as administrator. So and install it, click on next to you complete the installations. So all right, you can run as administrator, so and click on next to you complete the installation. That's a very easy way to install application. It's pretty easy. I've successfully installed mine, so that is why I did not bother to install it any longer. So what I'm going to do right now is that just install it, and I'm going to take you through how to merge the server. So this is the server. I'm going to teach you how to merge the server together with the WordPress in the next tutorial. And until then, have a nice day. Bye.